Hello there, Shotijishan is speaking. Today we are going to learn how to download Internet Download Manager and register it for lifetime. You need to follow some steps for registering. At first, you need to log in Chrome, then to type crackpatching. Here you can see crackpatching.com. Okay, from crackpatching, from the first site you will see IDM. Just simply click on it. Here you can see the descriptions are given below. For downloading this version IDM Direct 6.38, we need to click here. Download now. Here is the file. I will click on download now. Here you can see the file is downloading. It's a zip file, so you need to unzip it. Okay, downloading is done. Show in folder. Here is the file. Then click on copy. Paste it on your desktop. Paste. From here, now extract files. Okay. Yeah, here is the file. Here you can see this is the file. And the patch. So I need to install IDM first. So double click on IDM. Next. Accept. Next. Create an icon IDM on desktop. Okay, next. Here you can see the icon. Now they are showing the way how you can enable the extension. The step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and 5. So close. After that, okay, after downloading that, Microsoft Store may be open. Just need to simply close it. Then I need to properties. Here you can see my system is 64-bit, so I need to extract this file. So I copy this one and here I will create a folder. Next I will name it as IDM crack. Okay, then I will paste it here. Ctrl V. Now I will unzip it, extract extract here. Here and the password is 123. Here you can see I'm putting the password. Okay. You will get a file like this one. What you will do, you just need to put off your Windows Defender connection if you are using Windows 10. If you are using Windows 7, 8 or something else, you need to just shut your antivirus. Yeah, that's it. Now double click on 64-bit patch. Yes. Next. Install. Here you can see the positive says it is finished. Okay. After that, you need to set your extension. From more tools, goes to extensions. Then here you can enable the button. Yeah. Now you can download any kind of videos. I'll show you how. YouTube.com and select just as usual video like this one. Here you will see the download icon. Start download. So here's the simple procedure how we can download IDM. That's it. For where your file is saved, if you want to see that, click on open folder. See, here is the downloaded file. Okay, if you like my videos, please like, comment and do subscribe for upcoming videos. That's it for today.